bring down and the tear down and the suck him at. You guys were able to bring a whole audience from
True.
another app to make it the #1 app in
No,
a
dog, that's
country.
funny. You know, so that's serious, so Swiss. You
It
know, so
passed.
that's
It
serious.
passed TikTok.
I look
It
at
passed
TikTok.
Instagram.
What's the
Let me
TikTok?
show
How
you
many
now.
minutes?
Let me
I that
show you now.
trending.
It
I'm in
passed.
the store for how
It's
many minutes?
Go in
number
the app
one.
store and
It
I
passed.
think.
It
No,
passed
no,
Chat
I'm not sure
GPT.
that.
Just
No, now
screenshot it, Perry,
listen.
and send me.
No, listen. It passed ChatGPT. It passed Instagram. It passed TikTok. It passed WhatsApp. Okay?
What's up?
YouTube,
What's up?
Threads, Snapchat, and Google.
It's 1 hour. It's 1 hour.
You
Yeah,
guys
no.
made it the #1 free app in a country.
See that there? Seen too.
And I say this to say, stop joke out on the influence, the back and forth and the baga and the yaga and this and that. Do me I beg on a please. When you guys come together, you guys create greatness. You guys made it the This is a huge thing, huge, and this is a startup app.
Number
This is
four.
a start-up app. This is a new app. It's in its beta stage. You guys did for this company so like a huge thing. Them can carry this to investors now for sure them say X. But I think gonna understand. The man say you guys are legends and he not even known from nowhere. And a lot of people are on this app but they do not have influence. You might have a platform but you do not have influence. Know and understand. People love you, no people rate you, no people respect you. No. May I tell you, no, please. The oofa all big and the badness and the all them something that me I beg on the do. Please. And about to bring that one over there so over here so need a do. Please. That's something there. Please. You guys have to lead by example.
Wheel.
Watch me stripper.
You
Watch
understand
stripper.
what me I say?
Yeah, man, I hear man, Perry, I read thing I say,
Okay.
man.
And not because you can say it means you should say it. Not because you can do it means you should do it. And not because you can get involved means you should get involved. Certain things enough for walk out and leave and allow. Duh. Please. All of you guys made it the #1 app on the past Instagram and TikTok with about from how long. You know, achieve something so amazing and them not gonna talk about this neither. I remember say everybody not come over yet. All of you, the world dog, everybody, all of you guys from Jamaica, trust me. This is a huge thing gonna just do a while ago. Amazing. Amazing. I don't have to clap on yourself, I don't have to give yourself props. Amazing. Not a lot of people can pull this off. Come here and say, why him a ask me that? Him said, go in at the app store, go look. That's crazy. I don't even know this man
And
from
then get my
nowhere.
number.
I don't even
Sign up
know
with
this.
a number.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know this man from nowhere. Amazing. Amazing something to do a while ago. Amazing. And them not gonna put this on the paper neither. Them not gonna screen record this and them
Them
not gonna
now
put
do
it.
it.